In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add an image into a slide. Now, as you can see, we have a slide here. And one thing I like to do is to go ahead and add an image into one of these slides. As you can see here, we have an image in one of the slides, but I would like to go ahead and also add an image in this slide. And because we're talking about business, I'd like to go ahead and add a money slide here. Now, the best way to add a slide is to use frames. So what you need to do is go ahead and tap on elements here, and under elements, go ahead and choose on frames. And I'd like to use this circular frame. So I'll go ahead and tap on it. And here is our frame. Now, as you can see, it is behind the words, and I would like to bring it in front. So I'll go ahead and tap on these dots and then go to layers and then bring to front. And immediately, as you can see here, it has come to the front. So we can go ahead and resize the image of our frame to that size. So what we need to do is to drop here our image, and the image will mimic this circular frame. The next thing I want to do is to add the image. So I'll go under my upload, or if you don't have an image in Canva, go ahead and upload it by simply dragging and dropping it here. Now, because we're talking about business, I want to look for an image of money. So let me go ahead and look for money. And here we have our money image. So I like to use this. So if I just tap on it, it will not fit in our frame. But if I drag it and then move it over to the frame, you can see now it is fitting into our frame. And if I leave it, our image has been inserted correctly, forming the circular shape. And now you can move around this image while it is in frame with a lot of ease. Now, suppose you want to resize, maybe the image didn't fit well in your frame. All you need to do is to double click on it, and then it will give you an option to resize or to move your image to where you want to perfectly fit. And when you're comfortable, just leave it and it will fit directly. So that's how you add images into your presentation with a lot of ease. So go ahead and add to as many slides as you want, and this will give you the perfect outcome. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.